Step by step, you done win the match when them can't reach it. Cause them gone bad already and them can't reset.
So we told you at the top that our Reggae Girls made history by becoming the first Caribbean nation to qualify for the FIFA Women's World Cup. What a proud moment. And that proud moment inspired the Carroll Western Prep School to choreograph a special dance just for the girls.
Reggae Girlz. Strike hard.
Me like how she bizzle and me like how she bustle. She nah make no hustle in a my tabernacle. Smooth and so sassy and she shaped like a buckle. Woman I move every muscle.
Strike hard.
Nah make no hustle in a my tabernacle. Smooth and so sassy and she shaped like a buckle. Woman I move every muscle. Woman I move every muscle. Exercise all your body.
Reggae Girlz, you a lead every step by step. You done win the match when them can't reach it. Cause them gone bad already and them can't reset. Them try qualify and them get reject. Jamaican colors and your latest trends. Top compliments the way your wardrobe blends. Real fashion statement, feel light and lens. Your fragrance are nice up the circumference.
Jump up, me say keep it firm and strong. I want that you have a met the well up per long. Rain hard shine, cause you in a first position. No worry about nothing, ain't no competition. Woman, you got the title, your place number one. And everybody know you is a born champion. Highest medal is a gold, but you get a diamond. And anyway you're there, you're not the latest brand. Your show full of action. And when you touch the road, you are the main attraction. All over the world, Europe and Japan. Bonjour, savant, si vous plaît.
Reggae Girlz, you a lead every step by step. You done win the match when them can't reach it. Cause them gone bad already and them can't reset. Them try qualify and them get reject. Jamaican colors and your latest trends. Top compliments the way your wardrobe blends. Real fashion statement, feel light and lens. Your fragrance are nice up the circumference. Woman, you're well dressed, done blessed, no say you're conscious. All Reggae Girls represent for your country. Extensions, lunges, squats and crunches. Your body good a vegetarian lunches. Question come a road, you left some people unconscious. Football a kick and everyone a get anxious. The woman a chat and sappy like sponges. Woman, you a queen and you no smell like no fungus. Lumber lead every step by step. You done win the match when them can't reach it. Cause them gone bad already and them can't reset. Them try qualify and them get reject. Jamaican colors and your latest trends. Top compliments the way your wardrobe blends. Real fashion statement, feel light and lens. Your fragrance are nice up the circumference.
The chance to settle it. Deep breath. Bon Flasher takes the high road. And guess what? Jamaica are going to the Women's World Cup for the first time ever.
Justice to be ours forever. Jamaica, let me love. Jamaica, woo. Jamaica, woo. Jamaica, let me love.
Reggae Girlz, you a lead every step by step. You done win the match when them can't reach it. Cause them gone bad already and them can't reset. Them try qualify and them get reject. Jamaican colors and your latest trends. Top compliments the way your wardrobe blends. Real
Okay, out of door are we because Neville is going to ride
Neville?
his bicycle for the entire segment. It's World Bicycle Day. And so we're talking about the benefits of cycling. Why wouldn't we talk about the benefits of bicycles as opposed to the benefits of cycling, since it's World Bicycle Day and not World Cycling
But
Day?
just cycle and a bicycle. So I guess. You know, I
You
just,
can do other things on a bicycle.
you know, while she was
and the
speaking,
wheelies on a bicycle.
I just
you can-
realized something. It is the greatest prop in life. Because now, I can ride out of her life because she give me pure trouble.
I agree.
Yeah?
I love a bicycle. Certainly. Okay, so while you ride, I will talk about the benefits.
All right, folks, this is, what me say? Oh, what is gone? Something right just
So cycling, I'm sorry, I'm busy. Give me that I put it in.
Something all right.
Your earpiece. Go
When I
on.
watch this movie, I know, because I know never things me so good.
Cycling, the concept, I'll just be the voiceover because I think you should ride like to New Kingston. Just test your fitness. All right.
First, I want to show you a balancing act before I ride going away. Because I only think I can ride, right? Whoops.
Hey, hey,
Wait,
hey.
man.
Oh.
Hold
right.
on. Goodbye. I'll see you all tomorrow.
All right, narrator's voice. The concept of cycling was invented by Baron Carl von Drais in the year 1817. What he invented wasn't exactly the bicycle, which we know and use. Later! He invented the
Take
walking
care.
stick. Bye! That helped him to walk in the royal gardens faster. This device had wheels, but it didn't have any gears or any chains and pedals. It moved ahead by pushing his feet against the ground, which is not really what Neville is doing. But as the technology improved, then of course you see them have wheels. Him really gone? When gone? All right. Health benefits of cycling, folks. As you consider this as maybe one exercise you could do heading into the rest of this
Careful,
year.
you know.
Physical activity is important for the body, and this is one way to do it. So one is that it improves mental well-being. You just stay far from it, please. A study by the YMCA showed that people who had a physically active lifestyle. What? Never doing. What are you doing? Jody, are you catching this? What is that name, sir?
I just show you this, I'm skillful. No.
Oh my gosh!
We're the greatest rider in the world. Yes!
Skillful over there.
You didn't know I could do that, huh?
You can hold this for me?
I'm dirty,
maybe
I know.
not. All right, put on the kickstand. You want it? Okay. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Goodbye. We don't work. We're tired.
You ride a bicycle? Are you done the segment? Go wash your hands. Ew.
What else you telling the people?
I'm telling them about the well-being of cycling. Yes, people who had a physically active lifestyle had a well-being score that was 32% higher than inactive individuals. Cycling promotes weight loss, which Neville Bell doesn't really need, but says it burns calories, and if you eat well while you cycle, you should lose weight, because cycling burns between 400 and 1,000 calories per hour. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
Did not know that.
I
That's
didn't.
a lot.
You know, I have a stationary bicycle at home.
Do you?
And I tell myself that if it's even 10 minutes a day, I must ride it.
Do you do it?
Most times. Sometimes I go on like my wicked, I'm going to go half hour, but if it's even just 10 minutes, I just do the 10 minutes and I get up.
There's
So
a
try to
problem
do
I
it.
have with a stationary bicycle. I think if I'm pedaling that hard,
You must be on the road.
I must reach somewhere.
But I don't pedal hard, you know. I mean, I literally just sit down and I do the 10 minutes.
No, I must reach somewhere. Same way I feel about a treadmill. And the last one is cycling builds muscle.
You could see that I've got muscles all over. With that, we take a break. We're so full.